Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's session of IELTS, I'll be talking about the speaking module and I'll talk about the cue card, describe an energetic person or an old person that you know. Well, in this video, what I have done, I've clubbed two cue cards in one cue card only. Uh, and as you know that these two cue cards are very common in speaking tests. So you can also use the same content for both cue cards. Okay. So the question that we need to answer is who this person is, how you know this person, why you think this person is energetic, and how you feel about this person. Okay. So for the question who this person is, you can talk about any person, your aunt, your uncle, grandparents, your parents, your teacher, your neighbors, or any person who is energetic or an old person but is a public figure. So you can choose anybody. Okay. How do you know this person? If this person is related to you, okay, then accordingly you can describe your relation with that person. For example, if the person is your grandfather or your uncle around, then you can say this person is uh, my uncle from my maternal side or paternal side, and we belong to the same family, and I know him ever since my birth. Okay. Or if this person is a public figure, then you can say that I know this person through media. It could be electronic, print, or internet. Okay. Now, when the third question, why you think this person is energetic? For this question, you can just mention the activities that what kind of activities that particular person is involved uh, into, means whether that person is a professional, you know, a homemaker, or is managing dual career, or maybe an actor, actress, whatever you want to say. Okay. How you feel about this person? Since this person is energetic, and being energetic is a very positive thing. And even if you're talking about an old person, then again, for old person also use positive words only out of respect. Okay. So this is how we're going to answer this cue card. So let's move to the first question. Uh, Students, before I start, reading out the cue card, what I want to say is that kindly do not repeat yourself time and again, because it doesn't sound interesting at all, especially when it comes to pronouns. What happens if the person is he or she? For example, the person is she. Then the what students do, they keep on using the pronoun she for more than 15 to 20 times in the cue card. Just imagine using one particular word for more than 15 to 20 times. I mean, it doesn't sound good at all. So try to avoid that. So if you're talking about a female or a girl, then instead of using she, in every next sentence, you can say, you can use the word her, or this person, this personality, okay? Or you can just mention the name of a person. In this way, you can create variation. It's not that you can't repeat the words, but it should not be, you know, very often. It should not be in every sentence. Okay. And while speaking, try to modulate your voice. Okay, because if you modulate, then obviously it will make your speaking more interesting. Also, like my previous videos, I've highlighted the connectors in blue and vocabulary in red. Okay, because connectors and vocabulary, they are imperative to get good bands in speaking. So let's get started. Always give an introduction and conclusion, because it really gives a good start to a cue card, and conclusion, it gives a good ending. Okay, so let's get started, students. Undoubtedly, I'm surrounded with plethora of energetic people. However, if I talk about one who really inspires me in terms of exceptional energy level, then it is certainly my computer teacher. Her name is Mrs. Ranjana Kapoor. She has done her master's in computer science. She has a versatile personality. If I'm not wrong, then my teacher is in her early 50s. But yes, it's almost impossible to guess her actual age. I must say this person has really maintained herself well by keeping herself active. Well, I know her primarily because we live in the same neighborhood and she's also my mother's bosom buddy. Moreover, Mrs. Kapoor teaches computer subject to me and my friends in the colony. So this is how I know her. I think she's a live wire because unlike most people of her age, she wakes up early in the morning around 5, followed by a morning walk and yoga. Then starts taking her tuition classes from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at a stretch. In the evening, she also takes dance sessions for small kids. What I have seen is that this person is always on her toes, doing some or the other professional or domestic chores relentlessly. I wonder from where does she get so much energy? Honestly speaking, I believe she's one of a kind because being energetic in 50s is not everybody's cup of tea. I really look up to her in this aspect as I'm utterly opposite of her. She motivates me to be active through her work and routine. I know it's difficult to match her energy level, but if I see myself today than a year ago, then I can surely say I have become more energetic. I must say I'm truly blessed to have her around me. She's truly an inspirational personality. So, students, in this way, you can answer these two cue cards. And obviously, I'm not saying that this is the only way out. You should, you must create your own content. This is just an idea. So, because if you try to address each question, okay, in detail, then by giving more or less equal weightage, then I'm sure you will not run out of ideas. Okay. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. And all the best. Kindly drop your comment. Okay. And if you like it, do subscribe my channel.